Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Qwen Code on Windows 11 operating system. So to get the command in your Google search box right there, Qwen Code, then just go on this GitHub site. So let's scroll down. Now you have various options to install. You can use the Windows here or PowerShell command you can try, or you can simply use this npm. So I'm going to use the npm. So first here, let's open this place command prompt, and in my system node -version. So node must be installed, 24% that install. And if I write there npm -version, so you can see 11.3 that install. Let's use the cs command. Then I'm going to copy this command npm install -g Qwen Code and simply need to paste there. Qwen Code latest. Press enter. So this will install quickly. And here you can see some processes going on: download and install. So you can see added 5 packages in 10 seconds. Now if I write there Qwen -version, so there you can get 17.1 that install. If I write there Qwen -h, so this you can see all helping commands are there. Now thereafter, let's use their CLS. And if I write their Olama, no, if I write this place Qwen, so here, this here you can see. So you're running Qwen Code, this version is there. Okay. And okay, if I write to this place Olama, now here you can see this place Qwen. Here you can select the models. So you can select any of these models. So here, okay, you can see Qwen or 3.5 cloud model. You can select JRM and this on. Let's select here. So navigating Olama to upgrade. Okay, this is asking what to upgrade. I'm not going to do this. Control C. So let's use the Nemotron Supercloud. Now here you can see you are running Qwen Code directory, and here Nemotron 3 Supercloud. Let's write there hi. So this is now returning this. How can I access to it? After that, you can write any query there, or to make complex app in C#.net. So this is my question. Thereafter you can see this is thinking, and this will return the output. So console that this on. So this is how we can do the installation of Qwen Code on Windows 11. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So my this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.